imiraro yeemali yakwa-Eskom isaraga nokumphathisihloko ungqongqotjhe uGodongwana. uGodongwana uthi imizamo yokukhupha u-Eskom ekuziphenduleleni ngendaba zokusetjenziswa kweemali ngendlela ekungasiyo bekenzelwa ukuthi ibe sebujameni obungcono beemali. Uphikile ukuthi bebenzela ukufihla okhunye.
By tomorrow we'll have a gazette withdrawing the current one. That I can confirm. The other confirmation I want to do is that we definitely come back. It would be then, I would advise Honorable George not to go to court, to give us a submission of how to make this balance which I've said, achieve this fiscal sustainability we're talking about.
Kodwa namalunga wepalamende akangafuna ukumuzwa.
The timing is wrong. It seeks to suggest that we are hell-bent to hide and protect those that are corrupt, and people will be justified to arrive at that particular decision.
It's wrong, it's criminal, it's against the law.
It is a deliberate attempt to defraud, let me use the term again, to defraud financial institutions or lenders by not providing them with an accurate situation of the financial situation of the entity that wants to borrow money.
Abanye bathi isiqunto esinjalo sibangele umonakalo omkhulu phezu kwesithunzi senarha.
And now everybody's looking at Eskom and saying, well, you know, you want to hide stuff. So clearly there's a big problem. So what is that big problem? So that already puts people off. The rating agencies, I'm sure, would have an even closer look now than before. So it's like waving as red flag.
Certainly what has happened will have the opposite effect. Instead of strengthening Eskom to be able to get funding, all lenders are going to look at South Africa and the financial statements that are produced from here with a microscope.
Kusesenjalo ikhosatu ilamukele igadango lamveli elithethwe nguGodongwana.